Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Easy English Street Talk. I'm Sophia, and today we are learning something extremely useful for real-life situations. How to speak English at a hospital. Many people feel nervous when visiting a doctor, not just because they are sick, but also because they may not know how to speak English confidently. Sometimes you know what's wrong, but you don't know how to say it correctly in English. If you want to speak confidently in real life, you are in the right place. Let's start. Hello, doctor. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm great. Can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure, my name is Dr. Kame, and I've been working as a general physician since 2015.
That's wonderful experience. Doctor, what should a patient say first when they enter a hospital?
You can politely say, "Good morning." Then, "I have an appointment." Or, "I would like to see the doctor, please."
Great. Very simple and polite. What if someone doesn't have an appointment?
If you don't have an appointment, you can say, "I don't have an appointment. Is the doctor available?"
Perfect. Very easy to remember. Sometimes we speak to the receptionist first. What can we say?
You can say, "Good morning. I have an appointment with the doctor." Or, "I would like to make an appointment with the doctor."
And if they ask for details?
They may ask, "What is your name? What time would you like the appointment? Which doctor would you like an appointment with?" You can answer, "My name is Sophia. I'd like a 10 a.m. appointment, please. I would like an appointment with Dr. Kame, please."
Now, imagine I enter the doctor's room. What should I say?
When you enter the doctor's room, you can say, "Good morning, doctor," or "Hello, doctor."
Doctor, what is the first question you usually ask a patient?
We usually ask, "What brings you here today?" or "What seems to be the problem?"
This is very important. How can a patient explain their problem?
Use simple sentences. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a sore throat.
Excellent. Doctor, what mistakes do people usually make?
Many people say, "Head paining, fever coming." But the correct way is, "I have a headache. I have a fever."
Doctor, how can we say how long we've been sick?
We may ask, "How long have you had this problem?" You can answer, "For 2 days, since yesterday, for 3 months."
How can someone describe pain?
You can describe pain by saying, "It hurts a lot. It's very painful. It comes and goes."
Very natural English. Doctor, what about allergies?
For allergies, you can say, "I'm allergic to dust. I'm allergic to penicillin," or "I don't have any allergies."
Doctor, what if the patient is already taking medicine?
We may ask, "Which medicines are you taking? How often do you take them?" You can answer, "I'm taking medicine for blood pressure. I'm taking vitamins, twice a day, after meals."
What questions can patients ask the doctor?
Very good question. You can ask, "Is it serious? How long will it take to recover? Can I go to work?"
What if the doctor suggests a test?
You can ask, "Is this test necessary? When will I get the report?"
Very useful sentences. Doctor, what if someone feels very bad?
Say clearly, "I can't breathe properly. I feel very weak. My chest hurts."
These are important emergency sentences. After getting medicine, what should we ask?
You can say, "How should I take this medicine? How many times a day? Should I take it before or after food?"
Very professional English. What if I need to come again?
You can ask, "When should I come back? Do I need a follow-up visit?"
Can we ask about fees?
Of course. You can say, "How much is the consultation fee? Do you accept card payment?"
Very normal questions. What if someone is pregnant?
You can say, "I am pregnant. I am 3 months pregnant."
What if someone is diabetic?
Say, I have diabetes. My sugar level is high.
What if a parent brings a child?
You can say, my child has a fever. He has been coughing for 3 days. She is not eating properly.
Very clear sentences. Many people feel shy speaking English. Doctor, what advice can you give?
3 important tips. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Always be polite. You don't need difficult vocabulary.
Exactly. Speak slowly, use simple sentences, and don't be afraid. Comment below. Have you ever visited a doctor and felt nervous speaking English? If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Practice every day and speak with confidence. See you in the next episode.